After seeing some videos and some blogs where people were just removing the two bolts that bolt the starter engine into the engine itself, I then realized that it's not that easy. I removed the two bolts and the starter continued stuck, so I then tried to remove the engine cover from the stator to see what was going on inside, if there was something stuck in it. That had been proven to be hard work too. I then look at it and I seen that there was two washers and another ring, those pressure rings, I forgot the name. I didn't have the proper tool to take it out, so it took me ages to remove it. Honestly, something that I need to buy is proper pliers to remove it. Even after I removed that clip, I wasn't able to remove the starter motor. I have undone two bolts that I thought they were at the bottom of the engine that might be holding it too, but no, it wasn't. Finally, Phil came by to give me a hand and tried to see a better way to try to work out lifting the engine in the most diverse angles, pulling the front first, pulling the back after, and vice versa. But even like that, we were struggling a lot to try to put the engine in place. After several attempts, we finally managed to put two screwdrivers to the top fixing of the engine at the back, and we realized that the bottom fixing, if we use it to fit the engine, that the engine will tilt too much to the front, so it won't be working in a proper position. Hello guys, I managed finally to put the engine on the frame. I was still have to build one bracket for the front and the two top brackets to go through the frame, but now I got into this. The previous owner of these carbs, he made a good job of spray painting everything. The inlet manifolds are spray painted. I look at them inside, they're not too bad. One of them at least is not too bad. The other one is full of old fuel, so that's the project for now. The more I disassembled these carburetors, the more scary I was getting. Even inside, they were spray painted. I have never seen anything like this. Everything was stuck with paint. Time now to use paint remover because I need to clean them completely before I do any other jetting work or whatever on them. They were really bad. I really hope you guys liked the video. Thanks for watching. If you like, subscribe, give me a hand, give me your opinions, give me ideas how I can go around with things or go around things to make this build look better and easier for me, because it's been draining mentally, and everyone that loves bikes and like to build their own bikes know how it works. You get to a point where you don't think about anything else, you just have that thing that is to put your bike ready to ride, and I'm really willing to have it ASAP because summer in the UK is too short and I really want to ride this bike during summer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you like. Peace.